A regular maintenance schedule is important to keep your pump working efficiently and prolong its life. In this video, I'm going to show you how to maintain your water pump along with the remedies or solutions for common faults experienced. First of all, there needs to be a general weekly pump maintenance schedule, and this should include checking for any leaks around the pump and fittings, listening for abnormal sounds whilst in operation, and inspect the mounting points and pump foundation for excessive vibration or movement. Also ensure the fan is functioning correctly and there is ample ventilation around the motor housing. A pump needs to run at least once a week to help prevent any corrosion buildup between the cast iron casing and the brass impeller. Should your tank be empty, you can run the pump dry by pushing the reset button, as long as the CPV is functioning correctly. This will allow it to run dry for approximately 9 seconds without any damage to the pump. If your pump does not run when the reset button is pushed and you hear a humming sound, the pump is seized and would need to be manually released. With the pump unplugged, start by removing the fan shroud on the back and try turning the fan vanes manually. Take care not to damage the fan vanes. This should hopefully break that corroded bond inside the pump. If that doesn't work, you will need to remove the front of the pump casing, give it a good clean, assemble it, and you should be good to go. Your pump environment is important too. Prevent water and dust ingress by protecting the pump from the elements, and the pump should not be located in a low-lying area with a high risk of flooding. The pump has a built-in electrical surge suppressor, but if surges are common and high in your area, it's recommended to take extra preventative measures. Your water supplied to the pump must be cold and free from contaminants and debris. In the case of rainwater harvesting, ensure your rooftop and gutters are clean. Use pre-filters like a leaf heater, a first flush system, or a filter screen to help keep your tank clean from debris. For more information on these, check out these videos. And lastly, for some simple problem-solving solutions. If you found your pump starts, then stops, check that there is water getting to the pump. Ensure there are no major leaks, and all the valves are open. If the problem is not resolved, there might be an airlock in the system. To prime a flooded suction, simply loosen the brass nut to release any trapped air. Should your installation not have a flooded suction, add a foot valve or non-return valve. This is available at builders and it will help prevent continual manual priming. If you've pressed the reset button and the pump is not switching on, check your power supply and motor terminal box. With the pump unplugged, inspect for loose terminals and wiring. If the pump supplies water to the house and the pump is not switching off, check for heavy leaks in the pipework and taps. If the pump starts and stops repeatedly, check for smaller leaks in the system. This could be a dripping tap or a leaking toilet cistern. If you found this clip useful, like it, share it, leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel for more product reviews as well as DIYs for you to replicate or be inspired.